Okay, you go to your photos, then you go down into albums, and then you scroll down to recently deleted. You can see the photo you want to recover or the video, then you can do recover photo. That's a photo of me. So to move an icon, you get your finger and you hold it down on the particular icon you want to move. Then you move it on top of another icon, and then it creates a folder. In that folder, it will set itself up with a name. You can have more than one item in a folder. Can you see it automatically generates a name? On Android systems it doesn't do this. I accidentally clicked on remove, but I didn't. So here I go into messaging. You've got like a little A icon on your screen. If you press that, then you can see like little images, emojis. You can press that, you can bring them up, select the one you want, and then just click on it or press it with your finger. Then you can add a little emoji character to your message. If you're doing online dating, they'll love you for this. So I've typed out a message. Here I don't want the message. So if I shake the phone, the message will disappear. And it's gone. It asks you if you want to undo it. On this section you can adjust the settings so it's more comforting for your eyes. You can set up schedules so overnight it becomes dimmer, so you can adjust it as you want. So it's up to you. So what we're seeing now is the original video that I want to clip, reduce in size, or split rather, not clip. So what I've done here is, in the next section, I get my finger either side and I pull the clip in and shorten it to how I want. So what I'm doing is I'm getting some press up bars out, and then I'm going to get a bell on the floor and ring the bell with my chest, but at the moment I'm ringing it with my belly. I decided that's not good enough. Once I create the clip I want, I can save it then if I want. I can shorten it, can save as a copy. So you keep the original and you save the copy, which is probably the best option. There I'm positioning the bell with my hands and then pulling off the label off it and then repositioning the bell. Then I ring the bell with my chest. I'm just testing it, and then I go down, ding dong,